Hello young neuroscientists, welcome back to our channel.
This is Ritika Mishra.
And this is Aman Maheshwari from Sandno Labs. Today we are excited to bring you the 6th update of our Chords application. For those who are new here, Chords is an open source web application designed for real-time signal visualization, particularly tailored for biopresence signals like EEG, EMG, ECG and EOG.
Curious to explore it? Check out all the links provided in description box below.
Let's jump straight into the latest updates. We have got some exciting features to share.
In last video, we highlighted some updates in Chords application. The first one is Icons update, where we redesigned Web Serial API and indexed DB icons. Second one is notch filters for 50 and 60 Hz frequency to remove interference noise due to AC appliances.
In this video, we will dive into the latest updates we have added. In earlier versions of the application, selecting the COM port was necessary each time you connected to your development port. Now imagine connecting your device effortless. No repetitive setup required. With the capability of direct device connection, your previously connected devices are now saved in the local storage. This means you can start visualizing the biopotential signals instantly without the need to reselect the board. Moving on to the next update, you now have the option to add filters to each biopotential signals recording. For example, if you are visualizing EMG signals on channel 1, click the filters icon and select the muscle icon to apply a 70 Hz high pass filter. Notice how the signal quality improves. Similarly, when viewing ECG signals, select the heart icon to apply a 30 Hz low pass filter. For EOG signals, click the eye icon to apply a 10 Hz low pass filter. And for EEG signals, use the brain icon to apply a 45 Hz low pass filter. So far, we have applied filters to individual channels, but if you want to apply a specific filter across all channels, you can use these master buttons.
And that's the wrap up for this week's update. You can find our roadmap for next updates in README file of Chords GitHub repo. Link will be in description box below. We are glad you joined us today. If you are curious to dive deeper, don't forget to check out complete documentation of Chords. Links can be found in description box below. Want to catch up on all changes we have rolled out so far? Head over to our playlist dedicated to Chords applications updates and explore everything we have been working on. We would love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, ideas, suggestions in comment box. Stay tuned for more exciting updates coming your way. Till then, bye bye tata, see you in next video.